AI got you feeling utterly confused? Trust me, you're not alone. With endless courses, tech jargon, and sales videos, trying to find what actually works for your business can feel like a wild goose chase. But here's the thing, you don't have to figure it out alone. Introducing no-BS.ai.com. AI coaching without the BS. Our approach is simple. Stop wasting time trying to make sense of it all. Get one-on-one coaching with real experts who go straight to the tips, tools, and workflows that make a difference for you and your business. Save hours every week by using AI to streamline tasks like content creation, data entry, business planning, and customer responses, freeing them up to focus on what truly matters without the tech headaches or confusion. They say they feel more empowered, with more time and greater profits. Don't be put out to pasture. Learn fast, ask questions, get results. Book your one-on-one AI coaching today and take the first step to stay ahead. No BS.